Learning how to draw a fish is actually very easy. You just have to follow these step-by-step instructions. Draw a flattened oval and mark the area for the head. Then, using the same length as the body, start sketching the tail. Draw a sort of circle that goes from the line of the head to the middle of the body on the top fin. Then, draw the side fin as if it were a piece of cloth. It doesn't have to be perfect. Now let's shape the fins. We shape the head and mark where the eye and mouth will go. Then we start drawing the scales, which are like mountains or triangles. It will be easier if we draw a kind of grid to guide us. With a mechanical pencil with a 4B lead or a 4B pencil, we darken those corners. We shade the body a little by lightly going over it with an 8B pencil or any darker pencil grade. This way, we give volume to the drawing and create a shadow and shine effect. With a trimmed brush, I blend where I use the 8B pencil so the graphite sticks better to the paper. To shade the fins, I'll make parallel lines. And then I'll blend it with a blending stump or with a napkin. The Tombow Mono Zero eraser, I'll draw some highlights, and I'll emphasize these highlights a bit more with the mechanical pencil to give fins, that characteristic spiny effect. Remember, if you want to learn how to draw or you like my content, I invite you to subscribe, like the video, and share it with your friends. Let me know in the comments what you would like to learn to draw and what you thought of this drawing. To draw the eye, just fill in the circle for the pupil and then draw a circle around it, which will be the iris. Then we draw a few scales on the head, leaving the top part shinier. Give the drawing more depth. To make it look like a photo and bring out the highlights on this exotic fish, we fill in the background with an 8B pencil and blend it with a piece of paper. I'll leave you a playlist at the end where you'll learn several tips and tricks to learn how to draw better.